For my PET scan, it has been 29 days since I received my T cells. So we're just taking a look and seeing how things are progressing. Hopefully they won't find any cancer, we'll see. But I am sequestered in this little dark room and they're gonna give me this radioactive substance and I'll sit in here for an hour. I'm sure you've done this before for those of you that have had PET scans, but then they'll let me sit in here for an hour while it circulates through my body and then off for a quick PET scan and then lunch. So I'm looking forward to that. Haven't eaten since 5 this morning, so I guess that's it. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.